So we're trying a new blush today from Colourpop. This is from their Daisy collection. It's super cute. I haven't tried a Colourpop blush, I think, ever. I've tried their highlighters to die for. We'll be listing it in the description if you would like to check it out. So this retails for $8. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek, and this is a matte blush, which I love. I'm super oily. I love my mattes. This comes in 3 different shades, so you can either get Doozy. I love that color. Oh, that's the one I would have picked. It looks super cute, like a peach corally, my favorite. Then they have this one, and then chamomile, so you can choose of those 3. This is cruelty free, as is made in the USA with imported ingredients. Look how cute that packaging is with the daisies. You know, their collections come out like back to back to back, so I don't think this is like the newest one now. I think they just came out with another one. A fresh rosy flush with our iconic formula, BFF of our Super Shock shadows. This cream to powder cheek formula features our unique bouncy texture for a touch of glowy color that lasts all day. Glowy? You see it says here matte, right? Am I like, okay. So this buildable formula comes in 3 new totally matte shades of peachy coral, vibrant strawberry pink, which is this one, and a burnt red terracotta to deliver a natural flush of more intense cheek. Seems like it has pretty good reviews. This is also vegan, and it's a 0.15 ounce. So look how pretty this is. I'm gonna go light because this color looks like it. Whoa, super intense. I'm gonna go in with this. This is a MAC 167. It's like a short one. First of all, let's swatch it. Let me just check. There's no scent. I'm gonna swatch this. Oh, wow. That does feel creamy. I don't think I would apply this with a brush. I don't think so, but let me just swatch it first. Wow, that's pretty. I do have my bronzer and stuff. I'm gonna go in pretty light, okay? The formula feels amazing. If it's cream to powder, I love that formula. So I took it out like this. I'm just gonna start like patting it like that. Sometimes a formula like this it's like hard to work. That's what I find. Like some could be like really dry, but yeah. I don't feel like pinks are for me really, but I'm just like going like this, trying to spread it. I have a really matte base right now, so I mean, I'm sure if your face was more like dewy, or it would be easier, but ooh, that's pretty intense. I'm gonna try to see if I can like try to blend this out. I'm putting a lot of pressure like to blend this. Well, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I know they have 3 different ones, all different types of skin tones. I'm just applying it here. But I do love that it's matte. Maybe if you want, you can like add a moisturizer. But I can see how these would last like all day. Definitely. Like these are like set in place. Like I could even see like if I try to remove this from my finger, it might like give me a hard time. But I'm sure I would have really enjoyed this in that other shade. Just trying to blend that. Now what you can do, if it is too intense, I am going to try this. Take this powder and I'm just going to apply it on top and see how much I can diffuse the color. At least for me it looks like a bit much. Just going to apply a little bit on my nose. I always do. Just a little. Just a little. I'm going to take this and put it on top. And let's see. Oh yeah, that helped a bit. Obviously you can keep applying powder, but I can see it looks much softer now. reviewed this powder as well if you're interested. But any setting powder will do. Any setting powder will do. You can tell that it's super long lasting. If you like mattes, 3 different colors for you to choose. The price is never bad. Look at that. I still feel like I gotta like pat it down more. Get your money's worth. Look at that. You see, you can tell it's a cream product. I wouldn't say it was like the easiest to blend. Maybe it was because of what I had on before. It does turn into a powder, so that's a plus. I also have this new collection's kohl liners. They're nice, colorful. I'll try to make a look with that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.